Hello everyone, welcome to a new unboxing. Here we have the Canon EOS 90D. It's the new crop sensor camera that's come out. It's the EFS 18 to 135 IS USM kit nano USM lens kit box. So this incorporates the EFS 18 to 135 IS USM kit lens, which is a nano USM lens. So basically the lens itself is a combination of the SDM technology for silent video recording, as well as a snappy USM motor for doing photography. So this is just basically an unboxing of the 90D. I've recently upgraded from the 80D to 90D. The main differences, realistically speaking, is you're going to get 10 frames per second instead of 7, and it has a joystick on the back to mirror what's on the 7D Mark II, and it has 4K video recording. So this is the main advantage of this particular camera, and obviously it has all the benefits that's in the 80D, such as autofocus, dual pixel autofocus for video. You know, this has got a 32 megapixel sensor instead of 24 that's on the 80D. So this is a step up for me. The reason I've got this is basically I want to be able to do 4K video and have a dedicated wildlife camera as well. So this is crop sensor, a crop sensor camera, APS-C. It's not full frame, but hopefully it should certainly be good for doing wildlife photography. So without further ado, we're going to do an unboxing of this. We're going to have a look what's included, and this is just to show you what you get in the box. So I picked this up on eBay for £1,050. Generally speaking, on the Canon's website it's around, I think it's £1,600 with a £120 rebate. Typically sellers are selling this for around £1,400-ish on eBay, but I got a steal of a deal because someone is leaving the country, I believe, and I got a fantastic deal here, and I picked it up straight away as soon as I saw it. So we're going to have a look what's in the box, see what we get in there, and you get a look-see of what you do get. So first of all, we've got a standard UK plug here, 3-pin, so that will work with the charger. Here we got your standard Canon charger, which I've got 7 of these at the moment, because I want to be able to, quite simply put, be able to charge lots of batteries at the same time. A very nice thick manual. Unfortunately, it's got too many languages in it and probably only a tiny section dedicated to English. I would have preferred quite a few manuals separate, so then you'd have to carry a big chunk around if you want to learn the ins and outs of this camera. So we've got a nice 90D Canon strap here, so hopefully we'll use that at some point on the camera. Another Canon battery. Now I've been buying a lot of these off eBay for £15 used, because Canon sells them for about £100 on their website, which is really expensive. So you can get used ones, or you can buy the third-party ones. The problem is the cameras have difficulty using the third-party ones, because in essence the camera doesn't want to use them. So sometimes you can have problems using third-party batteries. So it is always recommended that you use the genuine batteries. So let's take the top lid off and see what we've got in here. Obviously we've got the lens here. It feels quite hefty. It's not light. I'd say it's about twice, if not 3 times the weight of the standard 18 to 55 kit lens. But looking at this, it looks really nice. On here we've got a lock switch to stop it creeping, but to be honest with you, it's a bit pointless on these short lenses. I'd only want that on a telephoto lens, to be honest. Stabilizer on and off, autofocus and manual focus. It looks different to your typical lenses. If I was to tell you what I think it looks like the new type of lenses that are coming out from Sigma and Tamron in terms of look and feel. But if we take the lock off, we should be able to zoom it. We'll take the lock off. There we go. And that's how big it extends to. So that's the 18 to 135mm crop sensor lens. It's a dedicated crop sensor lens, so it's not an EF lens, just remember that. But we still would need to times the focal length by 1.6 to get the true magnification of what this lens can do. But again, one side note to this is you can put a zooming dock device that Canon do on the underneath of this to give you smooth zooming action. That's because that's a little additional thing you can buy for this particular lens. So this is the Canon Nano USM. It's image stabilized EFS lens, 18 to 135. Looks nice, and I'll enjoy getting used to using that at some point. What else in the box do we have? Nothing really that different to what you would expect, such as the camera. Obviously, just get the camera out. On the back, it's very familiar to me in terms of what it looks like, in terms of what you get on the 80D. There's a Q button there, a joystick, but the rest of the controls look very similar to what you get on the 80D. And obviously it's got flash pop-up as well, that pops up. You've got your dial ring there, and then obviously your flip out screen, very nice, which can rotate, and you can shut it like that if you just want to have it as a standard camera with the screen, or pull it out and do selfies like so. So this is just a quick unboxing of the Canon 80D. I just wanted to show you what you get in the package. You know, obviously you get all this with it. So I think I got a bargain for £1,050. Nothing to really argue about. The battery, let's just have a look at the battery. The battery is the LPE6N. Like I said, I've got many of these. If you want to save yourself a fortune on batteries, consider buying these used on eBay for about £15 each. Yes, you can buy the third party ones, and you probably can pick up 2 of those for about £20, but for peace of mind I would recommend you get the genuine batteries. Probably not a good idea to buy them off Canon's website, because they are expensive. They do go for well over £100. I appreciate they're brand new, but they're also very expensive. So here we have the 90D, and this is an unboxing, and thank you for watching. I hope this helped you out in realising and understanding what is included in the box, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.